Hello everyone, my name is Pratik, and in today's video I will tell you how you can define random cut planes in ABAQUS for post processing. As we know that, like, let's say for this figure we can get the cut planes in X, Y and Z direction pretty easily, that I will show. But what if we want to get the data to visualize in the direction which is not lying in any X, Y or Z direction? Let's say this plane. So to get this data, we have to perform some steps that I will show you in this video. So let's go to ABAQUS. So this is our ABAQUS post-processing results, where I have plotted stress profile of needle inserted into the skin. And so the easy way is to let's say this is in X, Y and Z direction. So you can see here, this is YZ plane. So if we want to get the cut planes in, let's say in this YZ or XZ direction, we can get it pretty easily. We can click on this option which shows view cut, and then we have option of XYZ plane, and from here we can get the data for the cut. So let's say we want to do it in X direction. We click on this. You can see here we can easily get the data for cut plane, the stresses here. If we move like this, it will show you at different steps how the cut what all stresses are there, which is easy to visualize. Similarly for similarly we click for Y plane, we can get for Y plane as well, but for Z plane as well we can get. So what we want is to get the stresses in the plane thing like this. So for that, what you can do is first go to the tools option and define a new coordinate system. So click on the coordinate system, click on the create, and system follow. We will click on rectangle and click on system follow 3 nodes. So we will define 3 nodes in that plane where we want to get our cut plane. So click on this and click continue, and now it asks you to select a node to be at the origin. So since we want it in this direction, so we want let's say in the plane in this direction, so we'll take point here. So this is the point we have defined as a center. Now it asks to select a node to be on x-axis, so let's say this is our x-axis. And second, it asks you to select to be node in the xy plane. So for the xy plane, so this is x, and then for y, we'll click here somewhere, xy. You see, we have created a new coordinate system. If you can see clearly, closely, we have created a new coordinate system. And along this coordinate system, what we will do is we will create a cut plane. So since we have defined the cut plane, go to tools again, and here there is option of view cut. Go on view cut, click on create, and name it like let's say it's cut 4. Shape is plane, and there is option of key in and for sys system. Sys is coordinate system, and here currently we defined the sys system as sys1. Click on this, and what we want is normal axis is 1. Let's say 1 is like a x-axis, whether we want in x-axis or y or z. So what we want is this is y, no? So we'll click on axis 2 and OK. So now you can see here we have got a cut plane in the direction which we wanted. So to see it more clearly, we can just click, and this option will appear in this cut manager here as well. You can see the cut 4. So just untick this, and you see here we have got stresses in the new coordinate system. You can move like this. It will give you cut planes in different directions. Similarly, you can do whatever you can do in x-axis and z-axis. You can get both side, the other side as well, or this like this as well. So this is how you can define the new cut plane, which is not in any x, y, or z direction, or but in a random plane. So if you have any questions, just drop me a comment and I will answer that. Thank you.